Hi everyone, I received my order from doTERRA essential oils and I'm just going to show you what I got. See what we have here. I have GX Assist. I have phytoestrogen. I have bone nutrient essential complex. Oops, little oil bottles here. I have a spikenard. I've been showing this one, well, not this week, but the week before, several times in a row on my iTovi device when I scanned, and I didn't have it. I thought I did, but either I can't find it or I don't have it, so ordered one of those. Ginger. And I found out that ginger is really good for lungs, so I've been using ginger a lot more. I already have one bottle, and then now I have this too. Fennel. Oops, I don't have it turned around right. And Clary Calm roller bottle. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I can get it out. This is On Guard laundry detergent. My favorite laundry detergent. Thanks everyone.